We'll guide you through how to use WhatsApp for beginners. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. WhatsApp is a highly popular communications and messaging app. So we're going to guide you through how you can use it. Perhaps somebody has said they want to contact you on WhatsApp, or you've heard of it and you want to go and know how to use it. We're going to guide you through how this works. So come onto your phone store and you can go and search for WhatsApp, and here it is. Go and download it, I already have, and you can then go and press open. Now we can get started. So make sure you press agree and continue if you agree here. Make sure you allow notifications. Now what you need to do here is go and enter in your phone number, because WhatsApp goes and works with your phone number. So you need to go and add it. So tap here and enter in your number. My iPhone has actually suggested it there, so I can then go and press next. Now, I've actually used WhatsApp with this number before, so I'm getting the option to go and restore from iCloud. I'm going to press skip just so we go and set it up from scratch. If it's your first time, you probably won't know. What you need to do is make sure you give access to your contacts to WhatsApp. So I'll press share all. This then means it can go and sync with your phone book, and you can easily go and message people and your contacts through WhatsApp and call them as well. So here you can set up your profile, set your profile picture and enter in a name. Then press done. It's going to go and say about logging in securely and protecting your account. You can if you want to, but you don't have to. So I'll press not now. You can add your email as well. I'll press skip. So here we are. We're now on WhatsApp. So to go and get started, I'm going to go to the bottom. You've got updates. So on WhatsApp, you can actually go and share updates on your status. Similar to a Facebook, Instagram, or Snapchat story, you can go and put things on there. At the bottom, you've got calls. That's quite obvious. You can go and make calls. So you could press the plus in the top right. You could go and make a call a number, add a contact or schedule a call. I could press start a call and choose somebody here. And I could do a video call or audio call. At the bottom, we've got communities. So you can go and join a community here. And then we've got chats. It's important to note that WhatsApp goes and works over the internet. So if you currently have Wi-Fi, that's fine. Otherwise, you'll go and be using your cellular or mobile data. And then in the bottom right, you've got you. So you can go and tap there to get to your settings here, essentially. To get here on Android, on the chat page, there's 3 dots in the top right. Tap there and press settings, and you'll go and get to your settings. And you can go through here. But honestly, we don't need to use these too much right now. Let's go and focus in on messaging for now. So let's get started. So what we can do is go and press start chatting here, or go and press the plus in the top right. It'll go and open up the same list. You can go and see it's called new chat at the top. You're going to go and see your contacts on WhatsApp. So what you can then do is go and message a contact through WhatsApp here, or you can go and search a name or number at the top who you want to go and get in contact with. Also at the top, you can go and make a group. So you can go and add multiple of your contacts to a group. Tap that there and you can then select them. What you can also do is go and add a new contact. So you can press new contact and you can then go and type in their details here. First name, last name, phone. You choose a country code and enter in the number. And what I like to do is I like to go and sync the contact to your phone, just so it's also in your phone book and your contacts as well on your actual device. So let's go and say you are at a restaurant and they have a WhatsApp number. What you can do is do that. Press the new chat button and press new contact, enter in their name and last name, and then type in their number here. Of course, you make sure the country code's set correctly. And then after you go and add them, they're going to go and be in the list here. And you can then go and tap on them and send them a message. I'll cover that in a moment. What you can also do is go and set up a community. So you can go and bring it together, topic-based groups. I could tap that there and you could go and get started. So this can be really useful. You can go and see some examples by clicking here. Wait for it to load. So you can go through there and see like apartment buildings and things like that. You've also got broadcast. Now broadcast is really convenient. So let's go and say you wanted to go and send a message to lots of people. You can go and select them in your contacts here. Let's go and say it's a party invite. You could do that. And then what it will do is going to send a message to them, but it won't be as a group. It'll go and send it individually. So that's really convenient to do. But to go and get chatting, you can go and choose somebody here and go and tap on them, and it will then open up a chat. So of course, you can literally just go and send a message here. I could send hi. What you can do is come over to the left and press the plus. You can go and send photos, open the camera and take a photo or video now, share your location or a location, share a contact, share a document, make a poll, an event, and you've got AI images as well. So really useful features. And to the right, you've got the sticker button, which you can click and you can go and send the stickers or GIFs. And over to the right, you've also got the photo icon or camera icon, I should say, and press allow. And you could go and take one now. You could do a video, photo, or a video note. You can go and flip the camera, of course, and you've got some different options there as well. And over to the far right, you've got this mic icon. So you can go and tap that there and allow it to access the mic. And this then means you can go and send voice notes. So I can tap that there, and now we're sending a voice note. So these are really popular. A lot of my friends do them now. And essentially you can go and say what you want to say in the message. It saves you from typing it, and then you can send it, and then they can go and play it, and they can go and hear back the voice note, which is really convenient. Of course, in the top right, there's the video call option and also the call option as well, which you could tap on. And you can tap on the person at the top here. You'll see their number, you can call them, and you can go and see some different chat settings here as well. So you can go and choose notifications, the theme, saving things they send like a video or photo to your photos. So some really useful things there. Then what you can do is come back and they're then going to go and appear in the list here, which is really convenient. So your different conversations groups are going to go and appear in the list, and they're by chronological order. So the most recent one will appear at the top. What you can do is you can go and swipe on a chat from the left to the right. So you can go and archive it. This isn't deleting it. It simply puts it into an archive folder, which you could always go and access again. Or you can go and press more, and you could go and mute a chat, check out the contact info for the person, lock it. So if you go and press lock chat, we can then go and keep it locked and hidden. We can press continue. I'll press allow. This is like a verification method. And now, because I only have one chat, this doesn't apply, but you'd need to go and drag down if you've got multiple chats going down, and you can then go and press lock chats and you can go and access them. But I could tap on my lock chats and then unlock it, and there they are. So this adds like a layer of security so people can't easily go and see them here. You can press settings in the top, and what you can also do is go and hide lock chats. So lock chats won't show on your chat list, because otherwise when somebody drags down on this page here, usually it reveals locked. You may not want that, because then it makes it clear you've got locked chats. So you can actually go and hide them. So you need to go and enter in a secret code into the search bar in your chats to do that. And you can also go and unlock your chats with a secret code instead of your device's passcode. So that's an alternative as well. And then to unlock it, we can swipe on it, press more to the right, and I'll just press unlock for now. And then it'll be back in our chats. If we press more again, so you can go and add it to your favorites, add it to a list, clear the chat. You can block people and you can delete the chat as well. So that's all really convenient to be able to do. What you can also do is you press the three dots in the top left. You can select chats, mark them all as read as well if needed. We can press U in the bottom right, and I'll just go through some different settings here. As I said, to access these settings or similar settings on an Android, on the chats page, you press the three dots in the top right and press settings. So you can go and have subscriptions here. So if you go and tap that there, so you can go and see there's such thing as WhatsApp Plus, which you can get if you want. You can go and check out your lists, and you can create lists there. Broadcast messages as well. Check out Starred. Now, linked devices is really convenient. So to access linked on an Android on chats, you press the three dots in the top right and go down to linked. And so what you can do is go and link another device. So you could go to web.whatsapp.com on a computer, let's say, and then you can go and press link a device on your phone, and there'll be a QR code which you can go and scan, and you then go and scan that, and your WhatsApp web can then access your account from your phone, which is really convenient. You can go into your account settings and change different things here. What I like to change though is if we come into privacy, you can actually go and see some different things here. So you can go and press last seen and online. So people are going to be able to go and see when you were last seen and when you're currently online. You may find that a bit too personal. So you could go and set it to contacts, or contacts accept certain, or set it to nobody. And you can go and set the same to when I'm online. So nobody can see when you're online on WhatsApp. Otherwise, I find they can go and sort of expect a reply and things like that. And you can go and repeat that for these other things. You can choose who can see your profile picture, etc. If you then go and scroll down here, you've got some different things. For example, calls, you can silence unknown callers. You can come into your contacts as well and see block contacts. And you can go and switch on WhatsApp contacts. So contacts are saved to your WhatsApp account to manage them across devices. You've got this option here, read receipts. So this means people can go and see if you go and read their message. You may want this. I like to have it on so they can see. Choose if you want app lock or chat lock. You can allow camera effects and check out the advanced and the privacy checkup as well. We've also got chats here as well. So you can go and choose the default theme, choose animations. You can also go and choose if you like saving to photos. So for example, if somebody goes and sends you a photo or video, if this is switched on, that's then going to go and be saved to your gallery. So that's going to be up to you if you like that. You can go and do a chat backup. So you can go and do a backup to iCloud on an iPhone, but on an Android, you could do it to Google Drive, and you can choose if you want to do it right now, backup now, or when it's automatically done. Choose if you want to include videos and if it's encrypted. You can go and export a chat. You can go and look at voice message transcripts. Choose if you want to do it manually or never. Choose if you want to go and keep chats archived. So this means archive chats remain archived when you receive a new message. Yeah, that's fine with me. Choose if you want to go and transfer chat history to another phone. Archive all chats, clear all or delete all. And I shouldn't have swiped off there. Come back and you can go and check out appearance here, notification settings. You've also got storage and data. So you can come in here and go and manage different things. You can press manage storage at the top and go and manage how much space it's taking up. You've got network usage, so you can go and see how much usage you're using, because of course it may be your mobile and cellular data. You can switch on use less data for calls to go and save some. You shouldn't need to worry about proxy too much, to be honest. You can set that up if you want. For media quality, you can choose how it goes and uploads. You may want it to go and be higher if you want it to be HD quality. If it's set to standard quality, that usually does go and lose a bit of quality, but then it's faster to send and it's smaller file size. You can do the auto download quality. So you may want that standard to go and sort of use minimal data. And then you can go and choose where media is downloaded. So at the moment, this is set to Wi-Fi and cellular, meaning it could go and start using up a lot of mobile data. So you could set it to only Wi-Fi, and then it won't automatically be downloaded. For example, audio, video, and documents are all set to Wi-Fi. So they won't go and auto download when I'm on cellular data, but they will when I have Wi-Fi. Then you can come back, and that's it really. Hopefully now you can go and use WhatsApp and you know how. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.